Hi everyone, we have a super hot product. Nearly everyone customer will choose it. Actually, it's a very simple product. It has two adjustable brightness. The power of the main body is 3 watts. And the first is the low and high. There are two pieces 0.2 watt touch, like this. And on the top, it has 360-degree rotatable metal hook. And then on the bottom, it has a magnetic base, which can be rotated by 180 degrees. And then the input of charging is on the left side. It is a micro port. Okay, finally, of the most attractive point is that the lamp body is very slim. So you can use it even in narrow space, like when you inspect your car and some others. Thank you.